friends, as we lead into spring, this is the perfect time to give your home a refresh, and today I'm organizing a few of my spaces using my Cricut Joy Extra. This video is sponsored by Cricut, and first I'm going to create some custom peel and stick labels for these homemade cleaning solutions that I'll be using to clean up our office, and then I have this really cool chest of drawers that I plan on painting and using some dark wax and adding some labels for some office storage. So I have some really fun DIY projects planned for today, and I'm so excited to take you guys along with me. From cozy cottage-style organization to beginner-friendly Cricut projects, I'm sharing how easy it is to elevate everyday spaces with Cricut. All right, friends, the first thing I plan on doing today is creating some labels for these dark amber glass spray bottles that I have here. I want to make some homemade cleaning solution, and I just loved the texture and look of this sort of like parchment style paper. This is the Cricut Joy Extra Smart Label paper. So I'm going to use the Cricut design space to create some custom labels for these amber glass bottles that I have. Okay, I have the label design all figured out. I have my font figured out. The size is correct. Now I'm just going to go ahead and make it. So I'm going to click make up here in the corner, and we're gonna get this printed. So I have this really cool like chest of drawers that my friends Rod and Christy gave to me when I was out in Wisconsin last summer. And it's just really unique. It's got these skinny little drawers that come out, and I thought it might work really well to organize all of my husband's like bills and paperwork and mail that always ends up in a pile on his desk. So I am going to go ahead and give this a good cleaning and then paint it with that beautiful blue color that I have been putting all over my living room trim and entry. So I'm gonna go ahead and start working on that now. And then I might actually do a dark wax on this piece as well. And then I'll use my Cricut to create some labels for all the drawers so that he can put everything in its place. So I'm excited to get started on this. Well, hey friends, it's a new day. I wanted to let my drawers dry yesterday and we had somewhere to go, so I'm going to work on those next. How cute did these labels turn out? I love how they look on these bottles. I'm just going to use my cleaner and clean off this office desk in here. It's not horrible. The main issue we have is just sorting all of this mail and the bills. They all end up in this basket and kind of all over the place. So my hope is that we can use these cool old drawers, add some labels to them, and organize all of our mail and bills. So I'm gonna clean this up now and then we'll get started on that project. Alright guys, well the desk is all cleaned off. I'm ready to go work on these drawers and I'm gonna make some labels for each one. I'm really loving the way this sort of parchment style paper is looking on these drawers. Now, I hope I don't regret doing this, but I want to add some antique wax to this little chest just because I think it'll make it look a little bit more authentic. We'll see. So I'm gonna try doing that now. This is the classic soft wax that I always use whenever I am giving furniture a little makeover. So I'm gonna start rubbing that in. We'll see how it looks. Hopefully it'll be good. Let's try it on the side here. Okay. It's kind of what it looks like. I'm not gonna go crazy with it. I just kind of want to make it look a little bit older. I think I like that. I thought that I could use my Cricut Joy Extra for one other project. These bins that I have up here are filled with craft supplies. I've got paint in one, I've got ribbon that desperately needs organized in another. I have some miscellaneous like hot glue gun stuff in another one, and then samples, paint samples, tile samples in the one up here. So I thought it might help whenever my boys go to reach for these. They never know which is which. So I'm going to just add some small labels to all of these bins as well. And my Cricut Joy Extra is gonna be perfect for this. Okay guys, so for the labels for these bins, I'm basically using the same process I did before using the smart vinyl, except for this time I'm weeding around the letters, and then I'm gonna use this really cool product called transfer tape. And what that transfer tape does is it allows me to put these labels onto any surface, and basically this tape just easily transfers the vinyl from the sheet to the surface. So it's a really cool product, and you can see how neat it looks once we pull the tape away. I love the way this chest turned out. It looks like an antique. It looks like something I found at an estate sale or something. The labels turned out so cool, and if you noticed, I even put a little bit of wax over them. This office is looking beautiful, and hopefully this will help Mike stay more organized with the mail. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I will have all of these products that I used in today's video linked down in the description below. If you are new to my channel, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye-bye.